Yes.
My name is Anne Burley, and I was asked to serve on this commission, the Iran Truth Commission, because from 1972 until 1984, I was Amnesty International's researcher on Iran. So I carried out research into human rights violations in Iran at the time of the Shah and afterwards at the time of following the Islamic, the establishment of the Islamic Republic. I was asked to serve on this commission, and I was very happy to do so because I think that it's very important for families of people who have been tortured and executed to be listened to have someone to hear what they have to say, and I hope that eventually this will lead to some of the people who did these terrible things being brought to justice.
My name is Louise Asmal, and I am from South Africa, and I had some small involvement with the South African Truth Commission. My husband was one of its initiators. I've been involved in human rights all my life, campaigning on different issues, but to do with South Africa. So when I was asked, I thought I would like to make a contribution, a small contribution, I think, because I'm not one of these international lawyers. But I mean, I knew it would be painful, and it has been very painful, and it's very hard to sit every day listening to people who have been mostly extraordinarily courageous. And I think the most difficult thing was listening to people whose family members had been killed, which I feel, I really feel for.
I'm a retired professor of Brussels University in public international law. I was lecturing public international law for more than 30 years, and I'm still practicing public international law, and I'm writing a lot of articles and books in public international law. That's my present life.
Okay. And why do you do that?
So, first reason, because I've been invited to do that. And secondly, I accepted this invitation because I think that it's a very legitimate fight. I fully share the objectives, the goals of this fight for human rights, not for human rights, just human rights in general, but just for basic human rights. And in my view, it's quite fundamental because it's something to which I have always been dedicated, to which I have always been fully dedicated.
Okay. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
I'm a professor of international law at the Université de Montréal in Quebec in Canada. I'm a member of the Truth Commission of the Iran Tribunal. I was asked to do this work as a Truth Commissioner, and I accepted because I believe that every country should respect human rights. Iran, Canada, United Kingdom, and when you believe in human rights and you are asked to do some work like this and listen to witnesses talk about what they believe have been breach of their human rights, it's difficult not to accept. You need people to believe in human rights. You need people to listen to people that have to say something about the breaches of human rights. That's what I have been doing this week, and it was a very moving and enriching experience for me.
Thank you very much.